What's up, guys? If you love taking stunning photos and videos, it's time to upgrade to the latest camera phones that redefine mobile photography. With AI-powered lens, ultra-clear zoom, and brilliant night mode, you can capture every detail perfectly, anytime, anywhere. Whether you're snapping selfies, recording travel vlogs, or shooting pro-level photos, these phones deliver DSLR-like quality right in your hand. Choose a camera phone today and make every moment unforgettable. So, let's get started. Number 6 is Google Pixel 10. Experience the future of smartphones today. Meet the Google Pixel 10, the smartphone that turns everyday moments into extraordinary experiences. Engineered with the Google Tensor G5, Pixel's most powerful chip yet, it delivers lightning-fast performance, smarter AI features, and seamless multitasking. With Gemini AI Assistant built right in, you'll get personalized help, effortless task management, and intuitive suggestions that make life easier and more productive. Freedom to connect your way. Pixel 10 is fully unlocked, giving you total flexibility to switch carriers anytime. Whether you're with Google Fi, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, or others, you'll enjoy smooth performance, reliable coverage, and hassle-free setup. Your phone, your choice. Capture brilliance in every shot. Equipped with an advanced triple rear camera, including a 5x telephoto lens and up to 20x super res zoom, Pixel 10 lets you capture vivid detail from any distance. Night sight makes low-light photography stunningly clear, while Camera Coach ensures every shot looks professional. Durability meets design. Crafted with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and rated IP68 for water and dust resistance, this phone is built to last. Its Actua display offers up to 3000 nit peak brightness, making visuals crisp and vibrant even under direct sunlight. The Google Pixel 10 isn't just another smartphone. It's a masterpiece of power, style, and intelligence, designed to keep up with your world. The next is Number 5. Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone, a blend of performance and innovation. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is designed to elevate your smartphone experience, offering cutting-edge features at an affordable price. Packed with performance, functionality, and security, this device caters to users who want quality without compromise. Your content, super smooth. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows, gaming, or scrolling through articles, the Galaxy A15's ultra-clear and super fluid display ensures every interaction is seamless. With Vision Booster technology, the 800 nit brightness makes the screen vividly clear, even under bright sunlight. Store more, worry less. Say goodbye to storage concerns. With up to 128 GB of internal storage and the option to expand it up to a whopping 1 TB too, you can keep all your photos, videos, and files in one place without worry. Confidence in data security. The Galaxy A15 5G prioritizes your privacy with Knox Security, providing multiple layers of protection for your personal data and files. Manage your data confidently, knowing it's securely safeguarded. Live fast, charge faster. Never let low battery slow you down. The Galaxy A15's super fast charging feature powers up your device quickly, ensuring you spend more time living and less time waiting for a charge. A built-in digital wallet. Convenience meets technology with the Galaxy A15's integrated digital wallet. Carry your essentials, from cards to digital passes, seamlessly across your Galaxy phone and watch. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is a perfect blend of practicality and innovation, making it an ideal choice for those seeking top-tier features in a budget-friendly package. The next is Number 4. Moto G Power 5G, power and performance redefined. The Moto G Power 5G smartphone delivers a feature-packed experience tailored for entertainment, productivity, and style. Designed with cutting-edge technology and an elegant look, this device is a perfect balance of functionality and affordability. Immersive entertainment experience. Enjoy your favorite content like never before on the 6.7 HD Plus display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Paired with Dolby Atmos, this display provides stunning visuals and multidimensional stereo sound for an exceptional entertainment experience. Capture stunning photos. The Moto G Power 5G features a 50MP camera system with optical image stabilization (OIS) for sharper low-light photography. Say goodbye to blurry images and hello to professional-grade photos. Unmatched battery life. With a robust 5000 mAh battery, the Moto G Power 5G keeps you powered for hours on end, whether working or gaming. And when it's time to recharge, the 30 watts turbo-powered charging ensures you're back in action quickly. Super fast 5G performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7020 octa-core processor, this smartphone harnesses 5G speeds and up to 2 GHz frequencies to deliver seamless multitasking and fast app launches. Generous storage options. Store all your photos, videos, and apps with ease, thanks to the built-in ultra-fast storage. Need more space? Expand it up to 1 TB with a microSD card. The next is Number 3. Nothing 5G Android smartphone, redefining innovation. This smartphone combines groundbreaking technology with a minimalist design, delivering an unmatched user experience. Built to perform and designed to impress, this smartphone redefines what's possible. Powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro processor. Co-engineered with MediaTek, the custom Dimensity 7200 Pro processor ensures top-tier performance with efficient power usage. Whether multitasking, gaming, or streaming, the phone 2A provides seamless and optimized functionality. Dual 50MP rear camera system. Quality over quantity defines the dual 50MP rear cameras. With advanced computational photography powered by the True Lens engine, every shot captures intricate details and stunning clarity, proving you don't need more cameras for professional-grade results. Innovation personified. The phone 2A is more than just a smartphone, it's a masterpiece of design and functionality. By embedding cameras into the NFC coil, Nothing creates an iconic design element called the eyes. These serve as a hub of intelligence, with the glyph interface transmitting data visually and audibly. Its circular grid system ensures precision in every design element, extending to the phone's rounded edges for a coherent and comfortable look and feel. Long-lasting 5000 mAh battery with fast charging. Equipped with Nothing's largest battery to date, the phone 2A offers up to 2 days of use on a single charge. Its 45 watts fast charging capability powers the device for a full day in just 20 minutes, with 36% faster charging speeds and improved battery longevity by over 25%. The Nothing 5G Android smartphone combines cutting-edge performance, innovative design, and enduring battery life. It's a device that delivers on both style and substance, making it a standout choice for those seeking a unique and powerful smartphone experience. The next is Number 2. OnePlus 12R Smartphone, redefining premium performance. The OnePlus 12R is a powerhouse of innovation, offering a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and premium design. Whether you're a gamer, a tech enthusiast, or someone who values top-tier performance, the OnePlus 12R delivers beyond expectations. Key features of the OnePlus 12R: exclusive benefits. With the purchase of the OnePlus 12R, users enjoy 6 months of Google One and 3 months of YouTube Premium. Available for new accounts only. Premium display. Experience the brilliance of the One 5K Super Fluid AMOLED display. Backed by 4th Gen LTPO technology, the screen dynamically adjusts from 1 Hz to 120 Hz for ultra-smooth transitions, making everything from scrolling to gaming a visual delight. Peak performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and equipped with up to 16 GB of RAM, the OnePlus 12R ensures lightning-fast performance, perfect for multitasking and demanding applications. Long-lasting battery. Featuring the largest battery in OnePlus history, the 5500 mAh battery ensures extended usage. Paired with the 80-watt SuperVOOC charger included in the box, you'll get back to full power in no time. Advanced cooling system. The new dual cryo-velocity VC cooling system enhances temperature dissipation, keeping the phone cool even during intense gaming sessions or when using graphics-heavy apps. Unmatched longevity. The advanced battery design improves longevity by over 25%. With 45 watts fast charge, a quick 20-minute top-up offers a day's power, perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. The OnePlus 12R is a stellar choice for anyone seeking a smartphone that effortlessly combines luxury, speed, and efficiency. The next is Number 1. Google Pixel 8a, the smartest AI-driven smartphone. The Google Pixel 8a is the latest addition to Google's smartphone lineup, packed with AI-powered features, cutting-edge camera technology, and robust security measures. Whether you're capturing memories, staying productive, or simply enjoying your favorite apps, the Pixel 8a delivers unmatched convenience and performance. Key features of the Google Pixel 8a. The Google AI phone. The Pixel 8a harnesses the power of Google AI to simplify daily tasks and enhance user experience. From smarter search options to organizing your day, this phone adapts to you. Unlocked 5G flexibility. Enjoy the freedom to choose your carrier and data plan with this unlocked Android smartphone. It's compatible with major carriers, including Google Fi, Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T, ensuring seamless connectivity. Incredible Pixel camera. The Pixel camera revolutionizes photography and videography. With Best Take, create the perfect group shots, while Photo Unblur transforms blurry images into clear masterpieces. Google AI ensures your photos and videos are stunning every time. Vibrant Actua display. The 6.1-inch Pixel Actua display is brighter, more colorful, and highly responsive. It offers smoother scrolling, crisp video streaming, and seamless app transitions, delivering an elevated viewing experience. Everyday AI assistance. Google AI goes beyond basic assistance. Quickly search within apps by drawing a circle around an image, text, or video. Leverage Gemini for email summaries, brainstorming, and more. Say goodbye to spam with Call Assist, which filters out unwanted calls effortlessly. The Google Pixel 8 combines the best of Google's AI capabilities, exceptional camera quality, and a vibrant display in a sleek, secure package. Experience a smartphone that's truly built for the future. So this is the best option for you to buy.